this session, I am going to discuss how to calculate the factorial of a number using Python programming language. First of all, factorial of a number is the product of all positive integers from 1 up to that number. For example, 4 factorial is 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1, that is 24. Okay, to start, you need to take an integer input from the user to determine which numbers factorial you want to calculate. So for this, you will use the input of function and convert the input into an integer using int of input of function. So here the variable n equals int of input of enter a number. Okay, now we have taken the input from the user. Next, you will need to initialize a variable f to 1. This variable will hold the result of the factorial as the program multiplies numbers together. Okay, so f equals 1. This is to store the factorial of a number. So next, you will use a for loop to multiply all integers from 1 to the number n that the user entered. Okay, the loop will iterate through each number, and on each iteration it will multiply the current value of f by the current number from the loop. So for I in range of n plus 1 to infinity. That is, if we are using I in range of n plus 1, it will start from 0 and the factorial value will be 0 always. So we have to start it from 1. For I in range of 1 to n plus 1, f star equal to I. That is, we are multiplying the factorial with each iterated value. Okay. So after the loop finishes, the final value of f will contain the factorial of the number n. So we can print the value as factorial of the number. So print factorial of the number n is f. So this is how we can calculate the factorial of a number using Python programming. So let's try running this. Okay, enter a number. I'm entering the number 4 itself. So, okay, factorial of number 4 is 24. Let's try again with another number. 5. So factorial of the number 5 is 120. So this is how we are going to calculate the factorial of a number. So thank you all.